Hey there! Okay, so I have a quick confession. I ate the last of our Butter Pecan ice cream last night. I know I probably shouldn't have, but it was just so good I couldn't help myself. But the good news is it's super quick and easy, so I'm gonna make another batch today. Even better news, I'm gonna show you how to do it so you can make it too. This Butter Pecan ice cream is so creamy and heavenly, and my favorite part is that there's no eggs, so you don't have to cook it. We'll start by mixing up a quick, simple 5-ingredient vanilla ice cream base, and then we'll lightly candy some pecans. The result is creamy, crunchy, sweet, and slightly salty for an absolutely amazing combination. Alright, if you are ready to have your life changed by ice cream, stick around, I'm going to show you how we make it. For our vanilla ice cream base, we will start with 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of whole milk, and a couple dashes of sea salt. And we'll whisk those together to dissolve our sugar. Next, we'll add 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We'll give it one more little stir to incorporate those. And then we'll refrigerate our mixture for at least 1 hour. And while our ice cream base is chilling, we'll lightly candy some pecans. First, we're going to chop 1 cup of pecans. Then in a skillet over medium-low heat, we'll melt 3 tablespoons of butter, add a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Give that a quick little mix around. And then in go our chopped pecans. We'll give these a stir to coat them well, and then we'll lightly toast them for about 10 minutes, continuing to stir frequently. I highly recommend that you stay close by for this part. This is the most critical part of the whole recipe, and you do not want to burn any of these ingredients. We don't want burnt butter, we don't want burnt sugar, and we definitely don't want burnt pecans. So stay close by and keep stirring it around until you get that nice toasted, fragrant smell. Once your pecans are nicely toasted, we're going to transfer them to a plate lined with a piece of parchment paper. And we'll just spread them out into a single layer, more or less, and then we'll pop these in the fridge for an hour as well. Once your ice cream base is chilled, we're ready to make the magic happen. Go ahead and turn your ice cream maker on and pour that ice cream base in, and we will just let this churn away until it resembles a nice soft serve consistency. When your ice cream looks about ready, we're going to add our candied pecans. We'll just use your hands to break them apart gently, and then we'll slowly add them into our ice cream base. Have you ever gotten an ice cream and just wish there was more of the toppings? Well, that is not going to be the case today. This ice cream is chock full of those candied pecans. Make sure they all get mixed in there, And then we're ready to transfer this to a freezer-safe container. Of course, any good cook should always taste their food before they serve it, right? This is so creamy, so delicious. Good luck saving some for everybody else. And that is it. That is our uber delicious, no-cook butter pecan ice cream. If you can't wait to try this recipe, hit the like button below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications on our future videos. I hope you have a very sweet day.